वर्णित किया है। क्या सुंदर बात कही है आपने सचिन। दुनिया में एकमात्र माँ ही होती है जो सदा सुख देती है। भरी वरदायिनी भारत माँ पर ब्रिटिश सरकार ने 200 साल तक राज किया और अपनी पूर्ण दृष्टि जो है हमारे भारत पे रखा। उसके बाद से हम जो है अभी यह क्या है, स्वतंत्र है, इंडिपेंडेंस है। और इसके लिए हमें बहुत सारे जो है लड़ाइयाँ लड़नी पड़ी और कितने लोगों ने, कितने वीर शहीदों ने अपने जान की बाजी लगा दी और अपने लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया, तब जाके आज हम क्या है, पूरी तरह से इंडिपेंडेंस है। I wish you all happy Independence Day on the occasion of 75th Independence Day.
To call Gopal sir come on stage and give bouquet to our respected chairman guest Prabhu Kulshrestha sir.
Time to know our chief guest, about your chief guest. Yes, he was born in Agra. Prabhu Kulshrestha was born in Agra and he completed his study in Kota in Rajasthan. He also qualified the engineering college in Kota in Rajasthan. Now he working in the there are so many multinational company like a company is Royal Bank managing software division open leaders financial services UK and Paris. I would like to call our Namita ma'am to come on the stage and give bouquet to our respected chairman sir.
Thank you ma'am. Now we would like to call Ruby ma'am on the stage to give bouquet to our principal ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call upon our Urmila ma'am come on the stage and give bouquet to Dadi ji.
Now we would like to call Sushila ma'am on the stage to come here and give bouquet to Srimati Vijay Lakshmi ma'am.
Now, I would like to call Jasmine ma'am come on the stage and give bouquet to our Srimati Pooja Kulshrestha ma'am.
Thank you on the stage Sangeeta Patel ma'am to come on the stage and give bouquet to Srimati Alka Kulshrestha ma'am.
Principal ma'am, Dadi ji, and all chief guests and dear teachers present here today on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. I extended my warm greeting to you all on this day. Our India became independent and our dream of living in our independence country come true. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got
First of all, I want to welcome to Chief Guest Prasunji, Lieutenant, respected Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and present here all my friend teachers. I would like to wish you all very happy Independence Day. This day celebrates all across the country every year. This day is very important day in Indian history. You know well that we got freedom on 15th August 1947. But to achieve this freedom, many sacrifices had been done. Many great freedom fighters fought against the British rule and British rule. They were go to jail many times and had suffered there. We never forget the taste of freedom we are celebrating here. When we get after this, we should be proud of ourselves because we are Indian and we are celebrating our Independence Day. After freedom, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. National flag at Red Fort in Delhi. From that time, we are celebrating this day as national festival. This is very big moment for us. Today also, our Indian Prime Minister hosts Indian national flag at Red Fort in National Capital. Celebration Indian, and we are celebrating our Independence Day. You know, lived in under British rule, but now India is democratic country. It counted a large democratic country in the world today. With our Indian national flag, our national flag has three colors. On the top is saffron color. Saffron color shows the power of India. In the middle, sign of peace. Green color is golden. Green color represents. In Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. All spokes are equal. In our country. In the end, I would like to stay on this great occasion. Stay healthy, keep smiling, Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for this speech. Now, I would like to call Gopal sir come on the stage and sing a beautiful song, Vande Mataram.
Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujala, Subhala, Malaya, Chitala. Jamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Prabhutam Pulakitayamini Prabhutam Pulakitayamini Pulakusumitam Rumadalashuri Mataram, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Subhala, Subhala,
For this very beautiful and mesmerizing song. सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भ्रिकुटी तानी थी सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भ्रिकुटी वाली थी। गुमी हुई आज़ादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी। गुमी हुई आज़ादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी। दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Now we would like to call Rasila ma'am on the stage for her Gujarati speech.
सुप्रभात सौम्य आदरणीय अतिथिगण प्रभु साहेब श्रीमती पूजाबेन तथा प्राध्यापक सम्मानीय अध्यक्ष सम्मानीय आचार्यश्री सह आचार्यश्री दादीजी विद्यालक्ष्मीजी तथा मारा शिक्षकगणोने मारा तरफथी 75મી સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસની હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ। અને અહીંયા આપણો 75મો સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસ ઉપલક્ષમાં અહીંયા મને બોલવાની તક મળી તે બદલ હું સૌનો આભાર માનું છું। ઈસવીસન 1947 15મી ઓગસ્ટ ઇતિહાસમાં સુવર્ણ અક્ષરે લખાયેલું છે। એ દિવસે મોટા લોકશાહી દેશ તરીકે આપણો દેશ સ્વાતંત્ર્ય થયો હતો। ઈસવીસન 1947 15મી ઓગસ્ટ પહેલાં આપણો દેશમાં અંગ્રેજોનું શાસન ચાલતું હતું। તેથી આપણા ભારતની પ્રજા ઉપર ખૂબ જ ચોર ગુલામી કરતા હતા। તેથી આપણો ભારત દેશ એકદમ પાયમાલ બની ગયો હતો। ઘણા બધા મોટા મોટા ઉદ્યોગો ગૃહ ઉદ્યોગો પડી પામ્યા હતા અને તેથી ઘણા બધા ભારતના જે કારીગરો હતા એ બેકાર બની ગયા હતા। ભારતમાં અંગ્રેજીના શાસનોથી જે ચોર ગુલામીથી બચવા માટે ભારતની પ્રજાને આ ગુલામીમાંથી મુક્ત કરવા માટે આપણા રાષ્ટ્રપિતા ગાંધીજીએ સત્યાગ્રહની લડત શરૂ કરી હતી। તો એમાં ભારતની પ્રજાએ ખૂબ જ સાથ સહકાર આપ્યો હતો તથા આપણા બહાદુર નેતાઓ પંડિત જવાહરલાલ નહેરુજી સુભાષચંદ્ર બોઝ લાલા લજપત રાય લક્ષ્મીબાઈ વગેરે બહાદુર નેતાએ આપણા રાષ્ટ્રની સેવામાં પોતાનો દેહ અર્પિત કર્યો હતો તથા નવજુવાનો ભગતસિંહ ચંદ્રશેખર આઝાદ પ્રફુલ્લ ચાકી વગેરે જેવા નવજુવાને હસતા હસતા મોડે હતી। તે એવા બહાદુર નેતાને હું સતત નમન કરું છું। અને છેવટે ઈસવીસન 1947 15મી ઓગસ્ટના દિવસે આપણો દેશ આઝાદ થયો હતો। તે દિવસથી આપણી ભારતની પ્રજા 15મી ઓગસ્ટના દિવસે સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસ તરીકેની ઉજવણી કરે છે અને એ દિવસે સરકારે 15મી ઓગસ્ટના દિવસે રજા જાહેર કરી હતી અને તેથી દરેક શાળાઓમાં કોલેજોમાં ખાનગી સંસ્થાઓમાં સરકારી ઓફિસોમાં રજાઓ રાખવામાં આવે છે। દરેક શાળાઓમાં રાષ્ટ્રધ્વજ ફરકાવવામાં આવે છે પછી રાષ્ટ્રગીતનું ગાન કરવામાં આવે છે। કેટલીક સાંસ્કૃતિક કાર્યક્રમો કરવામાં આવે છે તથા ખૂબ જ ઉત્સાહથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓ રમતોમાં ભાગ લે છે અને ખૂબ જ આનંદ માણે છે। એ દિવસે દિલ્હીમાં આપણા વડાપ્રધાન લાલ કિલ્લા ઉપર રાષ્ટ્રધ્વજ ફરકાવવામાં આવે છે અને રાષ્ટ્રને 15મી ઓગસ્ટના દિવસે સંબોધિત કરે છે અને પછી આપણા ભારતના સૈનિકો ખૂબ જ ઉત્સાહથી પરેડ કરે છે અને કેટલીક સાંસ્કૃતિક કાર્યક્રમો બી કરવામાં આવે છે અને આ દિવસે ટીવી પર દેશભક્તિ ફિલ્મોની રજૂઆત કરવામાં આવે છે। તો ખૂબ જ પ્રજા 15મી ઓગસ્ટ એટલે કે સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસની ઉજવણી કરે છે। 2018થી એવું એલાન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે કે ભારત દેશની સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસની ઉજવણી કરવામાં આવશે। તો ભારત દેશ સિવાય અન્ય દેશોમાં બી સ્વાતંત્ર્ય દિવસની ઉજવણી કરવામાં આવે છે। તો 15મી ઓગસ્ટના દિવસે કેટલા બધા બહાદુર નેતાઓ પોતાના દેહ અર્પિત કરે છે અને જે શહીદો થયા છે એવા બહાદુર નેતાઓને આપણે યાદ કરીએ છીએ। અને આ મારું વક્તવ્ય અહીંયા સમાપ્ત કરવા પહેલાં હું એક શાયરી અહીંયા રજૂઆત કરવા માગું છું. ના સરકાર મારી છે, ના સરકાર મારી છે, ના રોગ મારો છે, મને તો ગર્વ છે કે હું હિન્દુસ્તાની છું. મને તો ગર્વ છે કે હું હિન્દુસ્તાની છું અને હિન્દુસ્તાન મારું છે. અને એની સાથે અને મને અહીંયા જે બોલવાનો તક મળી છે એના બદલ હું ફરીથી સૌને ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. અને આની સાથે જ મારું આજે વક્તવ્ય છે તો અહીંયા સમાપ્ત કરું છું. જય હિન્દ, જય ભારત.
Thank you Rosila ma'am for your Gujarati song. गुजराती याद रखेंगे, जाओ रानी याद रखेंगे, ये कीर्तन अविनाशी, यह तेरा बलिदान जगाएगा स्वतंत्रता अविनाशी. हुए चुप इतिहास लगे, सच्चाई को मदमाशी, तेरे स्मारक सुनी होगी खुद अमिट निशानी थी. बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह से हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. लहू देकर जिसने हिफाजत की, लहू देकर जिसने हिफाजत की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. अब हमारे सामने उर्मिला मैम और उनके कुछ दोस्त ग्रुप जो है एक देशभक्ति सॉन्ग पेश करने जा रहा है.
देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती.
एक सैनिक ने क्या खूब कहा है, किसी गजरे की खुशबू को महकता छोड़ आया हूँ, किसी गजरे की खुशबू को महकता छोड़ आया हूँ, मेरी नन्ही सी चिड़िया को चहकता छोड़ आया हूँ। मुझे छाती से अपनी लगा लेना ऐ भारत माँ, मुझे छाती से अपनी लगा लेना ऐ भारत माँ, मैं अपनी माँ की बाहों को तरसता छोड़ आया हूँ। Now we would like to call little star of our school, dear Prat, to come on the stage and speak something valuable words on this occasion.
And all my teachers and staff on this independent day, we will start we ever this day of and flag of glory at last on this independent day to actually we declare our independence for justice and liberty. Let us celebrate with joy and honor what they born from. Let us also celebrate by wearing the happy holiday.
Thank you so much, Little Star, for saying few lines on the occasion of this Independence Day. कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल के देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल के देख लेना। कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पर जाकर खड़े उन जवानों को देख लेना, कभी सरहद पे खड़े उन जवानों को देख लेना। अब हम बुलाने जा रहे हैं सुशीला मैम को। सुशीला मैम कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड गिव अ हिंदी स्पीच।
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आदरणीय अतिथिगण, प्रफुल्ल सर, पूजा मैम, अध्यक्ष सर, चेयरमैन सर, प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर, दादी जी, विजया लक्ष्मी मैम तथा मेरे प्यारे शिक्षकगण, 75वें स्वतंत्र दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन को भारतवासी स्वतंत्र दिवस के दिन बड़ी सुनहरी आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई थी, जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था। इस दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया था। लोग गुलामी की जंजीरें तोड़कर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए थे। तब से भारत बहुत उन्नति कर चुका है। भारत के लोग आज भी अपना स्वतंत्र दिवस खूब उत्साह से मनाते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। देश के विभिन्न भागों में इस दिन चहल पहल होती है। लोग तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिन की हार्दिक बधाई देते हैं। महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों तथा शहीदों का स्मरण करा बताए मार्ग पर चले हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भेद भूलकर मुझे यहाँ पे बोलने के लिए जो अवसर मिला है उसके लिए मैं सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
So much, ma'am, for your sharing your words on behalf of this. खूब बहती है अमन की गंगा बहने दो, खूब बहती है अमन की गंगा बहने दो, मत फैलाओ देश में दंगा रहने दो। लाल हरे रंगों में न बांटो हमको, लाल हरे रंगों में न बांटो हमको, मेरे छत पे तिरंगा रहने दो। स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहते हैं हम सबकी प्यारी नमिता मैम को एक देशभक्ति गीत गाने के लिए, जिसके बोल हैं दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे। Thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful and mesmerizing song.
आज़ादी के साथ, आज़ादी की खुशी के साथ ही आज हमारे स्कूल की संघ हमारी प्यारी दादी जी के जन्मदिन का भी आज के उत्सव को दोगुनी करती है।
मैं लिख दूं आपकी उम्र चांद सितारों से, मैं लिख दूं आपकी उम्र चांद सितारों से, मैं मनाऊं जन्मदिन आपका फूल और हारों से। ऐसी खुशियाँ दुनिया से लेकर आऊँ मैं, ऐसी खुशियाँ दुनिया से लेकर आऊँ मैं कि सारी महफिल सज जाए ज़बरदस्त नज़ारे से।
दिल की हर ख्वाहिश आपकी और मिले खुशियों का जहां आपको, और मिले खुशियों का जहां आपको। जब अगर आप मांगे अंबर से एक तारा, जब आप मांगे अंबर से एक तारा, तो ऊपर वाला दे दे सारा आसमां आपको, तो ऊपर वाला दे दे सारा आसमां।
उत्सव में चार चांद लगाने के लिए हमारे सामने उर्मिला मैम और उनके साथ कुछ और टीचर्स गाने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही प्यारा गीत हमारी दादी के लिए, जिसके बोल हैं दादी हमारी है हमको प्यारी।
दादी हमारी है हमको प्यारी, रहे आप सलामत, दुआ है हमारी, हमारी है हमको प्यारी, रहे आप सलामत, दुआ है हमारी। दादी हमारी गंगा की धारा ममता भरा है, आंचल तुम्हारा आप दो है जैसे गंगा की धारा ममता भरा है, आंचल तुम्हारा हमको तो
नमिता मैम को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहते हैं, जो कि हमारी दादी के लिए अपने मधुर स्वर में पेश करती हैं एक प्यारा सा गीत। इसके बोल है, सदियों तक आता रहे ये जन्मदिन आपका।
Thank you for this very beautiful song. में दीप जले, आशीर्वाद उपहार मिले, आशाओं में दीप जलों से प्यार मिले। अब हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहते हैं गुणों और स्वरों से भरपूर हमारे प्यारे गोपाल सर को। सर प्लीज स्टेज पर आइए और दादी जी के जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर एक गीत प्रस्तुत कीजिए। हमारी है बड़ी प्यारी।
जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको, जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको। शादी हमारी है बड़ी प्यारी, शादी हमारी है बड़ी प्यारी, हैप्पी जन्मदिन के जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको। हमारी गंगा की जैसी करती है सभी को प्यार, दादी हमारी है, दादी हमारी कैसी है, दादी हमारी है गंगा की जैसी करती है सभी को प्यार। हमने भी हम सभी उनको सिखाते हैं, हम लोग भी सभी जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको, जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको। दादी बड़ी प्यारी, दादी हमारी है बड़ी हैप्पी जन्मदिन के साथ, जन्मदिन की बधाई हो आपको बोले हो हनुमान बोले हो हनुमान राम दिन बजाई हो आपको बोले हो हनुमान।
लवली सॉन्ग फना होने की इजाजत भी नहीं चाहती। ये वतन की मोहब्बत है, ये वतन की मोहब्बत है जनाब, पूछ के नहीं की जाती, पूछ के नहीं की जाती। Let's take decisions to value our nation. Won't forget those sacrifices who gave us freedom. So on this occasion of Independence Day, we would like to call our respected chief guest, Praful Kulshrestha, come on the stage and speak some valuable words and encourage us.
Hello, good morning all. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal, Vice Principal, Body Teacher, and whole EDC Janvi family. Happy 75th Independence Day of our motherland, Bharat. Today's day marks historical day on which we got freedom 75 years ago. We should celebrate this day to pay tribute, to remember the struggle undertaken by our forefathers, freedom fighters, and the leaders in the past. Today, if you look at it, from one part of the country to the another part, people are celebrating, chanting the slogan like Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, with a great spirit and energy. Indeed, this spirit is the freedom and love of them towards their country. So one thing, this independence was really hard. We have paid a very huge cost to get it, and therefore we could not take it for granted, and each one of us should respect it. On today's occasion, I would like to thank each one of our soldiers who posted on the border in the all situations, protecting our land 24/7. We are going through tough times. I think the country has seen probably the worst times after the last war we had. We are going through the pandemic COVID-19. And I would like to thank all our frontline workers for serving the nation even during the lockdown, basically the medical and the paramedical staff, and the people who made sure that the FMCG supply remains intact even during the lockdown. And if someone would like to guess what was it, even though it's been very long, it's been 75 years, we got the independence. But whenever I think of freedom, there are still a few questions which keep bugging me out in my mind. So the very first question is, what is freedom? I want to go into the details and debate topics. But when asked, majority of the people would agree that freedom is getting from power which is external into the country. But I agree to achieve true independence. What about the independence from poverty? What about the independence from illiteracy? What about the independence of freedom from unemployment, starvation? Last but not the least, what about the independence of freedom from the ongoing pandemic COVID-19? They are all, in my own opinion, we will be achieving true independence when we will have a society where there will be negligible presence of all these problems. It is pretty easy to point your finger towards the problem, but this leads to the third question in my mind. What is that as an individual I can do to resolve these problems? And indeed, it gives me immense pleasure and fills me with great pride to see that each one of us, you and I, are contributing to resolve these problems. If our youth is educated, can't we resolve unemployment, can't we resolve poverty, the problem of living? I would like teaching and non-introducing in this process of continuous improvement and making our society better. With this, I would like to give a rest to my speech. I would like to chant a few lines for our nation. लपटे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना जिंदगी चमकी सूरत खुदाया जय हिंद जय भारत।
So much, Sati, for the very, very beautiful song. Definitely, we should not forget sacrifices undertaken by forefathers. You well said that we will achieve true independence once our country is really free from the problem like poverty, starvation. starvation, illiteracy, unemployment, etc. Indeed, you truly well said, Professor. The moment we were eagerly waiting for has arrived. Now, I would like to call on stage our chairman, sir, for a few words on Independence Day and our challenges.
सूक्ष्म शरीर के विद्यमान आदरणीय भैया जी, respected teachers, Sri Sakuri, respected Shiraji ji, Vijay ji, principal of the school, vice principal, and the staff members. First of all, I extend my wishes to everyone on behalf of the TV Gyanpit family. This is very important day as we free from the British rule. Most of the speakers, they have said regarding various aspects of this day. No, being Indian, we are proud of, but we never forget that after getting the freedom and to sustain it, we have more and more responsibility. Generally, this is a trend that we always look forward for the rights. This is our right, this is our right. But we never memorize, we never think regarding our responsibility. But the responsibilities are more important. Dr. Sampuran said that rights flow from duties. आप कर्तव्य करेंगे तो आपको अधिकार मिलने वाला ही है, लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, अधिकारों की पहले मांग करते हैं, हमारा अधिकार है। अगर कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है कर्तव्य करता है कि भाई माँ के रूप में, तो निश्चित रूप से उनको they will be getting the respect of or honor of that. And one more thing, that on such occasions we are all wearing the white clothes. You must be knowing the uniform is having much importance. You see a man like policeman without uniform will not have any value. But the moment he comes out with the uniform, you see that his body language, his attitude, and other people will also have the fear. So this white clothes or white uniform indicates that you are more responsible. your responsibilities towards the society, towards the family, towards the nation, it is more. And such occasions, they are memorizing us. Yes, these are your responsibilities and you have to discharge them. In general, teachers' community is supposed to be the national building unit. बोलते भाई टीचर्स तो भाई राष्ट्र के विकास में सबसे ज़्यादा योगदान है. You are making the future of the country, future of the nation, as you are giving the knowledge and the culture and whatnot to the children, and they are the future. So, although India and Indians from the ancient time, they are the great. They were great, they are the great, and they will be great. I just give you one small example. The distance between the sun and the earth and the most of the stars has been calculated by our ancient philosophers, astrologers, and now few small quantum of that now being calculated by the foreign country, and they have done so much. I was just going through an information, and it was written. There was a unit which was, calculated by our philosophers, Kastha. One unit was there, Kastha. And its value is 34,000 भाग of second. I mean 34,000 kasta will be equal to 1 second. So most of the things they were calculated previously. So this is I am giving one example of their greatness. How much knowledge they were having. जिसको आप क्षण बोलते हैं क्षण, 30 क्षण that is equal to 1 people. And 60 people equal to 1 pal. 60 pal equal to 1 gati, और 1 gati equal to, अभी जिसका minute or seconds nowadays we have got this unit 24 minutes. 1 gati equal to. So this was calculated in ancient time. इतना सब कुछ अभी even that is not done in the foreign country. But 365 days equal to 1 year, सब कुछ था. 100 years equal to 1 शताब्दी, 10 शताब्दी equal to 1 शताब्दी, और 1000 शताब्दी equal to 1 युग. और द्वापर 2 युग का होता है. त्रेता 3 युग, सतयुग 4 युग, और सब कुछ जोड़ के जब होते तो उसको महायुग बोलते हैं. और 1000 महायुग इक्वल टू 1 कल्प, और एक कल्प के बाद तो फिर प्रलय हो जाएगा, सृष्टि का अंत और उसके बाद प्रारंभ. तो कितने एक्यूरेट थे, हाउ मेनी accuracy. But now a part of that
has not been calculated by the scientists of the foreign countries. So this was our feeling when anything comes from the foreign, I mean the Western countries, made in so a very good thing. To remove from our mind. So you can understand that the Indians, they got the brain. Now the thing is, we have to implement it. We have to utilize it for the nation, for our country. So that kind of feeling should be there with everyone. Whenever we get the opportunity, we get some more amount, more facilities, we leave our country. That kind of the thoughts should be eliminated from our mind. No. We have to do the work for the country. We have to do the work for our country and society as well. Then only you will be able to sustain this freedom. Otherwise, again we will be under some or other rule. Because the foreigners, they are knowing our people. So we have to be, on such occasions, we should always take the oath. We should be together, united, and we will be doing the work for our country. By doing the small things, I think when last time when I was talking and one child asked Modi ji, I just wanted to serve the country. Yes, you can. बोले कैसे? When you brush, don't open the tap. When you need it, then only. Otherwise, what we do? We start brushing and we open the tap. Right? So, if you are saving the water, it is also a service to the country, service to the nation. जगह जगह लगा रहता है save water, save electricity. I mean, saving is one kind of creation. लेकिन भी least बहुत. पंखे की जरूरत नहीं, फिर भी पंखा चल रहा है. लाइट की जरूरत नहीं, हमने put on the light and then we went for our work. So that is the wastage. Similarly, the food. Every now and then we used to waste the food. But there are the number of organizations which are collecting the waste food and giving to the needy. So, by the small things, you can serve the society and nation as well. So, these occasions actually giving us like a time to memorize from the routine. You should come out and think what you can do to make our nation best. I hope that whatever I spoken in my address, you must be able to implement them, and definitely we will be achieving our goals, and then you can say, being Indian, we are proud of it. Today, respected Dadiji is celebrating birthday. In absence of Dadiji having more responsibility, she has to play the role of Dadaji as well as Dadi. And Dadiji is always giving motherhood love and affection to every employee. She never allowed to feel anyone that they are not the part of the family. and she is equally good, and she is taking care of everyone. भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वो हमारे साथ वर्षों वर्ष इसी तरह से प्यार और स्नेह हम सबको देती रहे। जो संकल्प है एजुकेशन टू ऑल, है ना, बी एक्सपेक्टिंग her blessings always, and we know that 2 plus 2 equal to 4 only. If we have good aim, true targets, definitely we will achieve, and that all will be possible with the help of you all, and you all are very energetic, associated with the school, and taking good care of your responsibilities, and I hope that you will be continuing to in the future. Thank you.
It's really pathfinder of us, and it is also enlightenment, motivation in future and journey. Thanks again. हर भारतीय के दिलों में 3 रंग का नहीं ध्वज, ये ध्वज देश की शान है। 3 रंग का ध्वज नहीं, ये ध्वज की शान है। हर भारतीय के दिलों का स्वाभिमान है। यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है, और 3 रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है, ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। For making this day more interesting and patriotic, we would like to give little gift to the little boy Ragya. So I request to Rekha ma'am come on the stage and give it to him on behalf of this school.
Thank you so much, ma'am. अनेकता में एकता ही इस देश की शान है, एकता ही इस देश की शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। Towards today's program who are present here. Thank you our chief guest of the day for your speech and your beautiful song and all your words. All the teachers who gave their valuable time and came here, once again thank you to one and all.
आ जाएंगे।